If you had only 10 seconds to leave someone speechless, what would you do? Take out your credit card and in a blink it becomes a real banknote. Cash flow looks like CGI, only better, it's real. And the best part, you can hand the bill immediately. It's real money, totally examinable. Cash flow works with any currency, dollar, euro, pound, you name it. Want more than a quick eye candy? Just perform any of our rock-solid routines. So, which one do you prefer? The 20 or the credit card? The 20? Okay, try not to look at the 20. Try to focus only on the credit card. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. This is the 20, and if over there I got the 20, in my pocket there is the credit card.
And you know where is the credit card? No. In my pocket.
Cash flow lives in your wallet. Always ready. Anytime, anywhere. It's easy to learn and impossible to forget. Crafted for durability and engineered for thousands of performances, cash flow isn't just a trick, it's a weapon. Forged for impact, designed to stun, this is cash flow.